What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Join us this time for our trip to Fredericksburg in Virginia. We packed up and headed out for a little change of scenery. We found the perfect tiny home right in the middle of nature. It was absolutely beautiful. It was cozy and had everything we wanted. Getting away from the city was just what we needed in this moment. Time for some afternoon fun, but first, of course, some coffee. Then we headed out and we played a round of darts where I got the victory. Also, we had the perfect ending to the afternoon. We played cornhole as the sun went down, and my wife took the win on that one. It was time to relax. We settled into the jacuzzi with wine, then wrapped up the evening by lighting the fire pit and staying cozy under the stars. We woke up early and with coffee in hand, watching that beautiful sunrise made it completely worth it. But the competition wasn't over yet. We played Connect 4, and yes, she managed to beat me again. After our final cup of tea, it was time to leave our tiny home and explore Old Town Fredericksburg. We loved walking through the historic streets, taking in all the charming architecture and soaking up the town's atmosphere. The Rappahannock River is one of the longest free-flowing rivers in the eastern United States, running for about 184 miles from the Blue Ridge Mountains to the Chesapeake Bay. For lunch, we found a great spot with a fantastic view of the Rappahannock River and the railroad tracks. Thanks for coming along on our Fredericksburg getaway. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to see where we travel next. Thank you, guys.